What if your project management tool could actually think, not just store your tasks, but answer questions, write content, and automate your entire workflow using AI? That's exactly what ClickUp Brain does. And there's one feature that literally builds automations just by typing what you want in plain English. Let me show you how it works. So ClickUp Brain is ClickUp's built-in AI assistant, but here's what makes it different from just using ChatGPT. It's connected to everything in your workspace, your tasks, your docs, your team members, your project history, all of it. First up, the AI Knowledge Manager. Think of this as Google search, but for your entire workspace. You can ask it anything about your projects, past decisions, or who's responsible for what. And Brain pulls the answer directly from your docs and tasks, with citations so you know exactly where it came from. No more digging through months of comments trying to find that one decision someone made. But what if you need Brain to actually do something? Not just answer questions. That's where the AI Project Manager comes in. And this is where it gets crazy. ClickUp Brain has something called the NLP Automation Builder. You literally describe what you want to happen in plain English, and Brain builds the automation for you. No complex setup, no workflow diagrams. Just tell it what you want, and it creates the automation instantly. It can also auto-assign tasks based on who's available, generate daily stand-ups without meetings, and track project progress automatically. Now, what about actually creating content? The third piece is the AI Writer, and this isn't just generic text generation. Brain knows what role you're in. Marketers get prompts for case studies and blog outlines. Engineers get technical spec templates. HR gets job description generators. Plus, it handles the basics: spell check, grammar fixes, adjusting tone, even translating content into different languages, all without leaving ClickUp. Now here's the newest addition that most people don't know about yet. ClickUp just launched Autopilot Agents. These aren't just assistants you ask questions. They actually work in the background automatically. The Answers agent monitors your team chat and answers common questions on its own. Someone asks about a deadline. The agent responds instantly with the right answer. You can even assign tasks directly to AI agents and they'll handle them. It's like having an extra team member that never sleeps. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe for more productivity tool breakdowns. It helps me out and you won't miss the next one. Now let's talk cost because this matters. First, you need a ClickUp plan. The unlimited plan starts at $7 per user per month, and business is $12 per user per month. ClickUp Brain is an add-on on top of that. The standard tier is $9 per user per month. And if you want full Autopilot agents with advanced automations, that's $28 per user per month. So realistically, you're looking at around $16 to $40 per user, depending on what you need. There's a free trial included so you can test it before committing. Quick reality check. Brain is powerful, but it's not magic. You'll still need to review what it generates. Sometimes it gets things wrong, just like any AI. But for workspace-specific tasks, finding information, building automations, drafting content, it saves serious time compared to switching between ClickUp and ChatGPT constantly. If you're already using ClickUp, Brain is worth trying on that free trial. And if you want to see another AI tool that completely blew my mind, I made a video on Higgsfield AI. I thought it was fake until I actually tried it. Links on screen. Check that out next. See you in that one.